Welcome back to Sea Smoke. Today we're going to be making homemade brownies. First we're going to add in a cup of sugar, which I have right here. Now we're going to add in half a cup of flour. Now we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Then we're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. So I gotta scoop this out. Now we're going to add in 2 eggs. I've already cracked mine in a bowl. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this on low. Okay, now we're done mixing our batter, and we're going to put it in an 8x8 pan at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick in the middle of it and it comes out clean. But if you want your brownies a little bit more gooier in the middle, you can leave it in for less time. Also, make sure to spray the inside of your pan so it'll come out clean and it won't come out all sticky and stuff. I'm hitting this pan and this bowl a lot. Now we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 for once again 20 to 25 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick in the middle of it and it will come out clean. But if you want it a little bit more gooey, you can let it sit and stay in the oven for a little less time, not as long. Okay, we finished making the brownies and they're fully baked now. They just came out of the oven, so we will try them in a few minutes after they've cooled down. Okay, our brownies are done cooling down, so now we're going to try it. Mine crumbled into a billion pieces. I'm still going to eat it though, because I made it. It's hard on this. Very good. Very sweet. A little moist too. Not too moist, but it's good. Okay, that's it for us on Sea Smoke today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below. And we'll see you next time.